Today we are traveling back in time to the majestic kitchens of the Ottoman Palace. We are making a legendary classic Turkish spiced rice with liver, known as İç Pilav. Originally created as a rich stuffing for royal roasts, this dish eventually became a masterpiece of its own. It's a perfect harmony of textures, crunchy pine nuts, sweet currants, and tender liver. The secret lies in the spices. Aromatic allspice and a touch of cinnamon bring the sense of the ancient Silk Road right into your kitchen. I'll show you the techniques to keep the beef liver melt in your mouth tender while ensuring every grain of rice is perfectly fluffy. This is more than just rice. It's a story on a plate. Let's get started. Okay, for Turkish spiced liver pilav, I have dana ciğeri, beef liver. Traditionally we use lamb. Today I'm gonna use beef. I'm just going to cut in smaller cubes. If there is a white skin of it, line of it, you have to take it out. And then I'm just gonna cube it. One medium-sized onion, 2 cups of rice that I soaked in warm salty water for at least half an hour up to 2 hours, some currants, pine nuts, butter, fresh dill, which is must have for this beautiful aroma. For the spices, some black pepper, cinnamon, and allspice. These are also staple for this recipe. I'm going to cut this into tiny cubes. You see this white parts, you have to take these out. From the market I got it clean. It has like a white cover, but these can be still stuck here inside of it, so you have to take these out and discharge. I'm gonna saute them first and then put it aside into the plate. Then saute other ingredients. My rice, will add the liver later. After I sauteed for a couple of minutes, I took them out. In the Ottoman Empire, especially during the 15th and 16th centuries, rice was a luxury ingredient. Adding expensive pine nuts, currants, and liver placed it into a next level. So I'm sauteing my onion and the pine nuts together in butter and olive oil. I'm gonna wait until I see some color on my pine nuts, and meanwhile going to wash and drain my rice until it has a clear water. Now it's like a cloudy. The name İç Pilav literally means inside pilav. Historically, this wasn't served on a plate by itself. It was the seasoned stuffing used for whole roasted lambs or turkey chicken. It became so popular that eventually earned its own place as a standalone dish. The use of allspice and cinnamon is a nod to Istanbul's role as the hub of the spice trade. These warm spices distinguish Oriental-style rice from the plain buttered pilav. For 2 cups of rice, I added 3 cups of hot water. You can use meat broth if you like. And cooked on low simmering for about 20 minutes until the rice soaked all the water and soft. Then turn off the heat and rest it for 15-20 minutes. While it's resting, make sure to add the chopped dill. Almost ready. Okay, it's been a long time since I made this beautiful recipe. It's time to taste. Let's take a look after it is rested. It smells delicious, beautiful. I'm just gonna gently stir it. Since I added the dill in the last minute after it is cooked, it preserves its color and also all the beautiful aroma. I'm gonna serve it here, just pressing like so, and then here. Just want to place some of the livers on top to decorate. Okay, it's time to taste. Make sure to get from the liver. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The liver is so soft. I get the spices just right amount. The cinnamon, the allspice. It could be a bit more powerful, so you can add more if you like more spicy. Also the black pepper. It's really perfect, my friends. Very delicious, elegant dish to make from Ottoman times using liver. To balance the rich spices, I highly recommend a refreshing çoban salatası or a traditional hoşaf fruit compote. You can also pair this elegant pilav with roasted chicken or lamb shish for the ultimate feast. So give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'm also curious, do you make liver dishes? And what's your favorite one? If you do, what do you do with it? Please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.